Shoe cleaning machine portable device. It has an electroplating decorative surface and a drawer-mounted water box. The nylon brush can clean the outsole of your shoe very well. A portable device that can help maintain the good quality of your footwear. It is smart and practical to use.
This material contains a strong absorbent pad and it can clean your shoe outsole efficiently. Subscribe Aroindia Electromech Pvt Ltd.